Here's something you might not know about me. I have a bad memory. There's a reason I like to write things down, take daily photos, and save them in my journal app. If I don't write it down or capture it in some way, I might lose it. It's nothing serious, but I know if I want to remember something, I have to capture it. Memories are precious to me. They tell the story of my life. The ones you keep are the ones you remember, the ones that shape how you see yourself. Have you noticed how sometimes a memory is more beautiful in hindsight? In the moment, you're there, you're experiencing it. But in the future, you have more information and context. You know what happens next. And sometimes that makes that memory that much more special. You know that after that moment, you never see that person again. Or after that moment, things change. It's not necessarily bad, but life evolves and time goes on. You simply can't go back. The present is unique in that it will never be the same. You are here now, on this day, at this hour, at this age, and soon you will never be again. Ever. We push on. Any time spent together with a loved one, heck, with anyone, is precious because you won't have another interaction exactly like that one. All that's left is the memory or the record of the memory in these photos and videos we keep, these time capsules. A time capsule from yesterday might not seem like a big deal. I mean, it was only yesterday. But as time continues on, the capsule remains the same, and eventually it will get buried by newer time capsules, meaning your older photos or videos get buried by newer ones. Your precious memories buried by newer ones. This isn't bad, it's just life. Life always goes on. Anyway, the point is, with so many memories to sift through, we keep with us the ones that mean the most to us, and that's how we remember our lives by. Because we simply cannot remember it all, we choose these highlights, bullet points in a way. These memories we choose, consciously or unconsciously, shape who we are today. Still, the present is where it all happens. The present is life's grand stage where we can create whatever we want with our realities through our actions and how we choose to see and respond to events. Our performance is now. The present is the most precious, and if we give our fullest attention to the present, we'll continue to create amazing moments to experience and remember our lives by. You know what? The future is precious too because it pulls us forward and encourages us to reach for a life that's better than now. We grow and evolve because of it. I mean, I guess everything is precious. Living on this timeline that is forever, past, present, and future, we're given this platform to learn from our past, treasure those beautiful moments, and heal from the dark ones, to come alive and create our lives in the present, and with the future, to learn hope and belief in something that has yet to come, something that has yet to exist. That experience in itself is so precious, so precious. So what do we do about it? Just take it all in. Embrace the moment in front of you. Show up for it. Don't be shy about it. Do everything you've ever wanted to do. Live a wild life and be unapologetically yourself. Take risks, feel everything. Enjoy it. That's what you're here for. Thanks so much to Adobe Rush for sponsoring this video. I edited this video using Adobe Rush, which is a new editing program created for beginners. Since I was experimenting with a new program, I decided to experiment with a new creative process with this video too. So I actually handwrote these thoughts in my journal first before piecing them together for this video. I started with a few words about what I wanted this video to be about, but I really had no idea what the message was until the very end. It was a fun process for me, and I hope you enjoyed this video too. Love you all so much, and I'll see you guys in the next one.